Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be teaching you guys how to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. This is the most common issues that iPhone users encounter. It can be frustrating, but fear not, we've got solutions for you. For this, what I want you to do is open your settings and go to Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, then try switching it to a cellular data. Now, the second step that I want you to take is go to your settings again, scroll down and search for Safari. After that, go to the bottom and tap on Advanced. Then select Website Data. Here tap on Remove all website data and confirm it. Go back to your previous page and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Here, according to your choice, tap on the options and tap Clear History. Now, even if this issue persists, what I want you to do is try switching to airplane mode. This can help you reset your iPhone network connection. And that's it. Now these might help you to fix your problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.